Hi, I'm Craig.
Hi, I'm Graham.
And welcome to
BA Leadership Walking Tour, which is a bit of a mouthful.
Change that.
What's that about, Craig?
Well, it's a tour around London along the iconic sites. So places where history has happened, Graham. Innovation, collaboration, staying current. We all talk about these really relevant BA topics.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Okay, so where are we now, Graham?
So we're currently at Aldgate, the ancient gateway into the City of London. A great place to talk about organisational and BA boundaries. Questions like who owns what, who's doing what, and those situations where someone says, "Oh, I thought you were doing that."
Yeah, wow. Is this where we talk about racing matrices?
If you really want to, Craig.
Yes.
Okay, we've got the Tower of London in the background. That means we're on Tower Hill, a place where historically loads of people were executed. So why are we here, Craig?
Well, we're here, Graham, because it's politics. The whole world works on politics, and look, who's not been on a project where someone's going to lose their head over this?
Yeah.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, it sounds tricky, but important thing for a BA.
Oh yeah, politics, fact of life. Well, Graham, we're at Tower Bridge. This looks impressive.
Yeah, as we cross Tower Bridge just behind us, we're going to do some commercial thinking and talking. This bridge was built to connect the north and south sides of the river so that they could trade. And working with suppliers is a bit of a commercial arrangement. And sometimes working with suppliers is a bit like this bridge, that normally it's all working well, but sometimes it can open up in the middle and everything stops.
Yeah, that's too true. I mean, I've worked with some really great suppliers, and you're having some good shared objectives, so you're both on the same page.
Sounds good.
Hey Graham, this is impressive. A warship docked in London.
Yeah, not just a warship, but actually an aircraft carrier, Craig.
Wow. Well, how can it be an aircraft carrier? There's no flight deck.
So HMS Belfast is actually a lesson in innovation. It used cranes to lift seaplanes onto its deck so it could leverage modern technology to keep it relevant throughout the entirety of its life. And so we're going to be spending time thinking about BA innovation and how we can do things differently to stay relevant.
Fantastic.
Okay, Craig, we're at a massive cathedral. What has that got to do with BA leadership?
Well, Graham, we're at Southwark Cathedral, and this place has been standing for 1,000 years.
Solid.
And over that time, it's continually reinvented itself for different purposes. Always stayed on top of the latest tools, techniques, and yes, Graham, buzzwords.
Does that mean we can talk about agentic AI?
If we must, Graham. Well, Graham, this is an impressive place. Where are we now?
This is the Great Hall as part of the ancient Winchester Palace, and we're going to be spending some time thinking and talking about collaboration.
Ah, collaboration. That's your superpower.
Thanks, Craig, something like that. Yeah, this was a place that the great and the good used to come together to debate and discuss and to figure things out together, and we do a lot of that as BAs, and figuring out how to do that well is really, really important, so we're going to spend some time thinking about that here.
Fantastic. Let's collaborate.
Let's do it. Okay, Craig, we're in the turbine hall of the Tate Modern Museum. Why on earth have you brought us here?
Yeah, very impressive space. So yeah, we're at the Tate Modern because BA leadership and BA role itself is all about perspective. And this is where you come into the gallery and you look at things and you think, well, one person's masterpiece is another person's fire hazard. So this is all about getting new perspectives. So we send the people off on the tour with us. We go around what's called the tanks area, and then they get their own perspectives of what they want to talk about. So on the way back, we focus on their agenda.
Now, it's a great chance to think, reflect, and then chat through some topics to take away some practical learning.
Right. Okay, Graham, we're at the end of the tour now. It's been a great tour. So tell us where we are now.
Yeah, so we're going to finish at a fountain which is just behind us, which commemorates an ancient river that used to flow through London. Sort of thing you might just walk past if you head back into the City of London, which is a few streets away. And we're going to stop here before we head back to the busyness and the hubbub of our lives and our kind of jobs to reflect on what we've learned and thought about on our tour, and so we can go away ready to kind of be a bit better as leaders going forward.
Fantastic. It may be a great place for a team photo.
Why not, Freddie?
So look, if you like our video, then please subscribe to the IOM conference and subscribe to our tour. We're on day 3. I've been Craig Rollason, and you've been...
I've been Graham Newton.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
See you there.